Hello, my friends. I'm in beautiful Oklahoma. I am here visiting my son who had to work for a little while, so I had some time to kill. So we're gonna go play with the metal detector and see what we can find. Target. See if that'll work. If I'm not sweating too much, I might go over and hit that top lot over there. But I think we're gonna play in the sand, see what happens. Alright, see when we find something. Volleyball court over there. All I found was that dime that I taped. So now I'm here at the tot lot across the way, seeing if we can find anything. Most of the beeps you're hearing right there is just the playground equipment. Alright, I'll let you know if I find something. $85, $86. There it is. There it is. A quarter. State quarter. Alright. On to the next one. Woohoo! Coming in like a 53, 55. Alright, it's pretty deep. I'm not going to dig for it. Here, next to my metal detector, we got a little butterfly. It's just plastic. It's very cute. I like that. Alright. Scratchy 80-ish, 80, jumping all over the place, but I have it notched out to keep the equipment out. So, but if you look, there's something right there on the surface. What is that? What is that? It's a key ring. Got excited there for a second. Look at that little key ring. Awesome. I will take that. Thanks. Hi, I'm taking a little break. So, volleyball court, I found a dime. Tot lot, I found a quarter, and that little key ring. Taking a break, get some water because it's hot out. It's like in the 80s, but it's windy out, so that's helping. It's just that there's no shade here whatsoever. So you're standing in the shade, you're standing in the sun the whole time. And as I've shown you in the past, I am in the best shape of my life. So I sweat easily. So I'm going to take a little drive around, see if I can find a concession stand and see if it's on cement or if it's in the dirt. If it's in the dirt, then I will bring the detector out and swing around that. It's a big park. There's a lot of ball fields here. There's like, oh, that's tennis over there. But yeah, there's a ton of ballparks here. So I'm going to see, or ball fields, I should say. I'm going to see if I can find like a central concession stand or a concession stand that's outside that is in the dirt and swing around that. All right. If you see me in a few minutes, that means I found one. Otherwise, I'll do a quick wrap up and we'll call it a day. Thanks. Bye. So I found the concession stand, kind of half cement, half dirt. I kind of swung around it, the areas that weren't grass, or weren't cement, and didn't really find anything. So now I'm doing the area where I sit. There's a baseball field right there. This is an 81. Ground's really hard, so I think I'm just going to use like my screwdriver to kind of bust up the ground a little bit and see if it's like right there near the surface. So I'll let you know if I find anything. Okay, so I popped it out there, my screwdriver, and it's going to be it's really dirty. I can't get a ear off of it. But there you go. Dime number 2. All right, let's rock on and go to the next one. All right, so I got like a maybe 81 right there. There. All right, so we're gonna see what we got. There. Alright, I'll be right back and see what we got. Okay, so the ground is rock hard as expected. It's dry here. And I can see the tip of it's like a Coke can sticking out there. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna dig it out because it'll take too much work. So, yeah, that's what it is. Alright, moving on. 81. Probably a penny. Let's see what we got. Near an Air Force base. You guys flying in formation. Alright, let's see what we got. got it out. You can see a little round right there. Yeah, oops, sorry. And let's see what we got. Okay, it's a penny. It is a memorial. Yep. On to the next one. Okay, this was like a 78, 79, jumped up to 81 at one point. Could be a penny. So we'll see. Might be down a little bit, and the ground's really, really hard, so I'll come back once I get a hole started. Okay, so I got my hole dug. I wanted to show you. So now that I got the hole dug, look at my pinpointer. It's all over the place. It tells me that there's not going to be anything good. There's going to be something big. So I'm going to let this one go. Okay, here's the wrap up. I've only been out here like, I don't know, hour and a half or so. So I got that key ring that made my heart flutter a little bit. I thought it was a ring. I saw it's black on the side, so I thought maybe it was like a tungsten ring or something. But it's not. It's just a, I don't know what it is. Some sort of thing. It's not a key ring either. I don't know what it is. It's got a weird, and I don't know. Maybe you know. Can you tell me in the comments if you know what that is? Yeah, pop tab to add to my Ronald McDonald House collection. I found that butterfly, and then for the money I found a quarter, 2 dimes, and a penny, all clad, nothing silver. So yeah, I'm done. I am hot and I'm not sweating, so that means I'm dehydrated. So I'm gonna go get some water and call it a day. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.